Hello everyone. Kamusta ka mo? Okay, so today we can have a new lesson, no? So, evaluating algebraic expressions. So, amo ng lesson naton subong no, evaluating algebraic expressions, no. By the way, gusto ko maghambal sang Ilonggo or Bisaya para at least maintindihan sa aton nga mga students, no. Kay mathematics very difficult to understand kung ihambal niya sa English, no? Pero kung explain naton in Ilonggo or in Bisaya, so at least maintindihan siya mayo, no? So this based on feedback sa ako nga mga students nga when we explain lessons, dapat explain ta siya in Ilonggo or in Bisaya para at least dali pa gid nila maintindihan. Okay? So, first we will have to define an algebraic expressions. Now, so in English, an algebraic expression is a combination of variables and numbers with the operations of arithmetic. Okay, very simple. Magtawag ang algebraic expressions, combination or mix na siya sang variables, numbers, and with arithmetic operations. Now, when we speak of numbers, we're talking of positive numbers, negative numbers, fraction, mixed numbers, decimals, and so on and so forth. Amo na siya mga 1, mga 2, negative 3, 1 million, 2 million, 10 over 3, or 20 over 30, and so on and so forth. No? So, I think kabalo na ng aton yung mga students, what do you mean by a number? Now, magsiling ka ganing operations of arithmetic, we have only 4 fundamental operations. Amo na siyang ginatawag nga sa elementary bilang nga ginastudyan naton nga addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, kada operation may ara na siya symbols. Okay, for addition, plus, so meaning gina-add. And for subtraction, may ara kita nga minus or subtract. For multiplication, may ara na siyang symbol nga times o kon gina-multiply. Alright? For division, meron na siya nga operation nga ang symbol nga gina-divide. Okay? Now, mag-speak naman nga, maghambal ka naman nga variables. Ano siyang ginatawag ng variables? First, i-define nato sa English. No? A variable is a letter used to represent an unknown number. So, ang variable gali nga natawag, litra na siya nga kung sa diin, nag-represent na siya sang unknown, sang number nga ginapangita naton. We do not know what is that number, pero in mathematics, gina-represent nato na siya as variables to represent an unknown number. So, mga example sa mga variables, mga famous gid is x and y. Diba? So, masiling ka ganang x mo, dati, o di ba? Asa subong x mo siya gyapon, no? Or else hindi ka maka-get over because of your x nga ginatawag. And then meron man kita nga y. Why not? Di ba? Y, Z, A, B, C, and so on and so forth. Meaning, ang tanan nga litra ara sa English alphabet, variables na ginatawag sa mathematics. Alright? Now, let's go to examples of algebraic expressions. Okay? Now, example, 2x over 3. Ginatawag na siyang algebraic expression because may ara siya number at the same time may ara siya variable or may ara siya nga operation which is division. Okay? So, example number 1. Number 2, 6x minus 1. So, it's a combination of a number and variable. Kaya may ara kita nga 6x and then may operation kita nga subtraction. So, ginatawag man sa gyapon nga algebraic expression. Second, third, 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. So, kung lang taon na ton, mayroon sa variable which is x, and then mayroon siyang mga numbers, and then may operation nga nag-separate ang subtraction. Okay? So, 3x plus 2y minus 7. So, ang variables involved, x and y. Pero nga, ton nga numbers, meron kita nga 3, meron kita nga 2. Ay, by the way, magsiling ka gani nga 1. So, this is ang ginatawag na sa mathematics nga constant. Okay, mathematical constant, no? So, mga 1, mga 7, so constant at saka ginatawag, no? And then we have example number 5, 2 multiplied to 3x minus 46 minus 2y. So, ang tawag sila sa iya, algebraic expressions, magyapon, no? Now, kung lang tawag nato, ng aton nga mga examples, pamangkoton naton, how many terms do we have? Anong ginatawag nga term? A term is single number or product of a number and one or more letter raised to a power. Siling niya, ang term na ginatawag, single number. Like for example, in example number 2, 6x minus 1, ang 1, term na sa gyapon. Ang 6x, term na sa gyapon. Ang bal niya, single number or product of a number and a variable raised to a certain power. Ang 6x, of course, ang 6 multiplied to x, ang x, ang powers ng x is 1. So, as practice, pag ang exponent ganit na ton 1, wala na siya gina-indicate. So, 6x minus 1 composed of two terms. Alright? 6x1 and then 1 is another term. Now, for example, number 1, 2x divided by 3, this only composed of one term. Although may operation siya, nga multiplication and division, but then ang ginaisip na naton, mag-separate sa ila is ang addition and subtraction, no? Plus and minus. Okay, an example number 3, lantawon mo kung pila ka bilog ang plus and minus, 2. So, one term, 3x, another term, 2y, and another term, 7. So, all in all, there are 3 terms. So, in our example number 5, 2 multiplied to 3x, o kung i-apply natin ginatawag ng distributive property, gina-distribute. So, 2 times 3x, 6x. 2 times negative 46, that's negative 92 minus 2y. So, how many terms do we have? Tatlo man siya gyapon. Alright? So, amo na siya. In short, ang algebraic expression, may ara siya mix nga variables, numbers, and arithmetic operations. Alright? Okay, let's go to example number 1. If A is equal to negative 3, B is equal to 7, and C is equal to 5, evaluate A, 2/3 A cubed. Okay, when we speak of evaluating, the given value for A is negative 3. All we have to do is to substitute, no? Islanta na lang ang values ng A, which is negative 3, and then simplify. Alright? So, we have 2/3 times negative 3 raised to 3. Okay. Class, ang 3 nga na siya, exponent na siya sa ang tawag. And then, ang negative 3 base. Ang exponent will tell us how many times we are going to multiply the base. So, ang base natin dito is negative 3, meaning katatlo ta siya i-multiply. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9 times negative 3, negative 27. So, negative 27 times 2/3. Alright. Now, may duwa ni siya ka-process, no? It's either negative 27 times 2, that's negative 54, divided by 3, or, pwede man siya, negative 27 divided by 3 times 2. So, what's the product? Negative 18. Meaning to say, 2/3 A cubed is equal to negative 2/3. Alright? Alright, let's go to example number 2. We have the same given. A is equal to negative 3, B is equal to 7, and C is equal to 5. We're going to evaluate. Letter B, 2a cubed minus 2b squared plus 3abc. Okay, all we have to do is to plug in the values, the given values for A, B, and C. Okay, so we have 2 times negative 3 cubed minus 2 times 7 squared plus 3 times negative 3 times negative times 7 times 5. Then we will have to evaluate. Of course, negative 3 cubed, that's negative 27 times, so that's negative 54. So we have 2 times negative 27, 7 squared, that's 49 times negative 2 plus 5 times 7 times negative 3, that's negative 105. Then simplify, we have 2 times negative 27, that's negative 54. 2 times 49, that's negative 98. Plus 3 times negative 105, that's negative 315. So we have to combine this. The total is negative 467. So meaning, this algebraic expression equals to negative 467. Okay? Alright, let's go to example number 3. Evaluate negative 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 7x minus 5 when x is equal to negative 1. So, all we have to do is lanan natin ang x ang negative 1 and then simplify. That's it. That's very simple. Okay? Substitute negative 3 times negative 1 raised to 3 minus 2 times negative 1 raised to 2 plus 7 times negative 1 minus 5. Okay, to simplify, negative 1 raised to 3, that's negative 1. Okay, and then negative 1 squared, that's positive 1. Okay, negative 2 times 1. 7 times negative 1, negative 7, bring down negative 5. So we have to simplify negative 3 times negative 1. That's positive 3. Negative 2 times 1, negative 2. Bring down negative 7, negative 5. So combine. So negative 2, negative 7, negative 5. That's negative 14. 3 minus 14. That's negative 11. So meaning the value of the algebraic expressions negative 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 7x minus 5 when x equal to negative 1 is negative 11. Alright? Alright, let's go to example number 4. Evaluate negative x square root of y all over x minus y minus 2xy when x equals negative 1 and y is equal to 1. So meaning we will have to substitute the value of x and y to the algebraic expression, the given algebraic expressions. So we have negative, because our x is negative 1, so negative times negative 1 times the square root of y, which is 1, all over x is negative 1 and y is 1. So negative 1 minus 1 minus 2 times x, which is negative 1, and y equals to 1. And then simplify, we have negative 1 times negative 1, that's positive 1. The square root of 1 is 1. All over negative 1 minus 1, that's negative 2, minus negative 1 times 1, that's negative 1 times 2, times negative 2, we have, okay, so 1 over negative 2 plus negative 2 times negative 1, that's positive 2. So to simplify, we have, we can cross multiply 1 minus 2, negative 2 times 2, that's negative 2 all over 2. Alright, 1 minus 4 all over negative 2, which is equal to negative 3 divided by negative 2, that's negative, positive 3 halves. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the lesson, so feel free to subscribe because that's the only way you can help us grow. And stay tuned for more exciting mathematics lesson. Probably it's more like equation. Okay, so we will have to explore some equations like radical equations or exponential equations, or maybe rational equations. Okay, so thank you so much. See you next time. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the mathematics lesson. And don't forget to subscribe if you think the video is very useful. And stay tuned for more exciting videos about mathematics, probably algebra. Right? Thank you and bye.